Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I'll show you how we can find sound settings. At the first you have to go for the settings, click on the sound, and right now as you can see we can find a couple of the options. For example, at the first we get the volumes from media, for call, ringtone, alarm, and here we can also enable vibrate for calls. When you go below you can find the do not disturb mode. Also, we can change your phone ringtone. You can find the default notification sound. When you go for the advanced, you can find a couple of the other options. You can activate touch sounds, you can turn off touch vibration, you can turn off screen lock sounds, or turn off dial pad tones. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.